for me, and I know I see how to win. I'm the man that said I'm all the millions, they calling me Bruce Wayne. And I love like I'm Bruce Wayne. Number one, I'm on top of the game. I'ma come to your city like rain. You know that I love you, I pray for your pain. All been sweat, move fast, bad man. I'm ready for trouble, I hear that I'm wait. I'ma put on my mask, I'ma put on my cake like it ready. I'm coming to save the day. I got demons inside me, trim all on my sleeves. Devil knows the only thing I see. What my leg, you tried me. I can't sleep, I'm fucked up about everything that you done told me. Yeah.
That must be the little low mode he was talking about. Hold on, it's something we gotta do. It was just doing that when he did the shit on the video.
They say high and low on back.
Oh, yeah, you had to have it down. That's what it was. He did the same thing.
Whoa!
I know, it's okay.
I ain't gonna say this one, but I'm gonna stop.
Oh.
It's my drink.
God
Oh no, that didn't last long.
The convoy is down.
I'm
finna go on Hobby Lobby, and I'm finna go on Vortex, and I'm finna order the most coolest one.
Is that where they're from?
You saw they sitting getting real tired of her. Chris, well, they turn their back on, but still be showing love. B.I.G. They got to sign on Charles. I'm sorry.
Youngboy. Hold up. I told my wife I was going to run into him one day. You guys got something to do.
Oh,
That's me. Yeah, I see it.
yeah.
Hey, Youngboy's in the house. What's up, brother?
What's up, bro?
You know it.
What's up, buddy? What's your name, huh?
Hey, I'm Legend.
Jack, bro. I like that color, man.
You better know it's all day, brother.
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it.
Thanks, bro. Would you mind taking a pic, bro?
Yeah.
Where you going? You walk here?
Yeah, I just live on the corner behind us, bro.
For sure.
Hey, lonely child, bro. That shit clean, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much.
Sure, man.
Appreciate
Stay
you.
up, man.
You too, brother.
What you got? What you got? Don't you got a check up?
I got the red idea, but I only got one football to do.
I'll take it.
Oh, fuck. He's talking to this Mac song, run him a billion big dogs. I'm gonna make it later on. I'm trying to go back to that now. Like, what the fuck I was found. What up? I just feel big as my dog. Get your hustle on, hustle track to the morning. My brother can walk them down. I do it on the muscle. Switch up the plate in the back of the cup. I'm smoking and holding the drink. I jump out the whoop, I'ma pull my man's down. The whole word on my face. That's the girl right there. See that one, man. Yeah, I'm bitch straight from Boo-Boy, man. Precious shit. What you on the how you feel? ready for that slime cut?
Cars down to the beach. How are you doing tonight? Are you having fun? What is this? You bring your cat. Have a seat. Take a picture. You guys?
Would you like some?
Get everyone up here?
For sure, my dude.
Yes, come on. You're over here in your house of groceries, right? Let me fix your breakfast.
I didn't catch it. I got double lock, and made by man, 30, made by man, 60. I got these chicks on me, I just catch it. I put a nice on egg now. Get up. Piss. I'm face test back.
More?
Yeah, he said we're going five. He said that?
One more. It's good. A lot of some of you talking about.
Go 10 on the windows so you know. No wind.
I need to take the windows out.
A little bit.
Go ahead and eat it.
I should have put on some weight off of eat it.
More, I just told you, you can't the police right. The police, Momo. They tripping.
Want to come inside?
They tripping. You see them police?
I took your car.
Huh?
I took your car.
Momo, you gotta go with mommy. Come on.